video, we begin a new project, which is the Nativity scene. We will start with the basket for baby Jesus. And of course, we will then make the baby Jesus himself. I hope you feel inspired to create all the members of this nativity scene. And if so, let's begin by looking at the materials we need to make the leader basket. I will be using Symphonia brand yarn. It's 100% cotton yarn. It's about 3 millimeters thick and also has like 6 threads. You can change the color to your liking or based on what you have available, but I will use just 2 colors yarn, cinnamon and straw. Also, remember you can use another brand yarn if you prefer that, but depend on the yarn that you select, maybe the final result on your project will be different, okay? And also you need to select the correct hook. With this yarn, I'm use 2.5 millimeters hook. Of course, we will also need scissors, wool needle, and nothing more. This is all the materials that we need to make this little basket. Then, using the cinnamon colored yarn, we will start on round 1 with a slip knot and then 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And starting in the second chain, we will repeat 4 single crochet and 1 triple increase 2 times. I recommend that you put some mark in the chain number 6 from the beginning, because there we will make the second triple increase later. But you can see, it's up to you. Then I'm already made 1 single crochet, 2, 3, and 4. And in the last chain, 3 single crochet in the same chain. 1 single crochet, 2, and 3. And this is the first triple increase. Then now we will repeat exactly the same one more time on the other side. 1 single crochet. At the same time, you can hide the thread from the beginning. 2, 3, and 4. And in the chain that I recommend you put the mark, 3 single crochet more. 1, 2, and 3. And we will finish this round with 14 stitches. Put some mark. We will work now on a spiral, and on round 2 we will repeat 2 times, 4 single crochet and 3 increase. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, and 4, and now 3 increase. This is the first increase. The second one, and the third. Repeat exactly the same one more time, and we will finish this round with 20 stitches. On round 3, starting with 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, 4 increase. 1 increase, 2, 3, and 4. 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 4 increase. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and for the end 1 single crochet, and we already finished this round with 28 stitches. On round 4, starting with 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After that, 6 increase, 1 increase, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 6 increase more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and at the end 2 single crochet more, 1 and 2, and we already finished this round with 40 stitches. And this is the result until now. Then on round 5 we will make 40 single crochet, but this time we will make the single crochet reverse. Pay close attention and you can see how to make the single crochet reverse. Also, we already have another tutorial on this, no, it's on our another channel in Spanish, but using the subtitle you can understand the video, and also that video has the slow camera. Then just in case you didn't understand this, but I think it's easy, and just follow me with this tutorial, you can do it. Just insert from the back, take the point and then the same single crochet. I'm really sorry because my English is not the best to explain that, okay? But pay close attention and you can repeat the video again if you need it. On round 6, we will start with 1 chain and after that 40 half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, and you just need continue doing half double crochet until you are 40. After 40 half double crochet, 1 slip stitch in the first half double crochet on this round. Knowing the chain is just 2 up, okay? And we already finished with 40 stitches. On round 7, 1 chain, and this time we will repeat 10 times 2 half double crochet front and 2 half double crochet back. Pay close attention. You will take it on the front, like a front. This is the first one, and the second one exactly the same on the front. The next 2 half double crochet on the back. And repeat the same. 2 half double crochet front, is taking the half double crochet on the previous round. 2 times on the front and 2 times on the back. And that's it. Continue repeating exactly the same all around. And at the end, we will close making 1 slip stitch on the first half double crochet that we made. The first half double crochet was front. Then let's see how to close. This is the last half double crochet back, 1 and 2, and 1 slip stitch on the first half double crochet on this round. Every time we finish with 40 stitches, okay? On round 8, 1 chain, and now 40 half double crochet, taking normally. 1 half double crochet, 2, and just continue doing half double crochet until finish this round with 1 slip stitch on the first one. On round 9 is similar than the round 7, 1 chain, and after the chain we will start this time with 2 half double crochet back. On the round 7 we're starting with 2 half double crochet front, but this is similar but not exactly the same. Then 2 half double crochet back, 1 and 2, and 2 half double crochet front, 1 and 2. Then repeat exactly the same 10 times in total all round, and at the end we will make 1 slip stitch for close the round. This is the end of this round. 2 half double crochet front and 1 slip stitch on the first half double crochet, and that's it. On round 10, 1 chain and 40 single crochet, just 40 single crochet, 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round with 1 slip stitch on the first one. And on round 11 and the last round we will make 40 slip stitch, 1 slip stitch in each single crochet on the previous round, and that's it. This is the detail on the border. If you want to make another detail, for example like 1 chain and 1 slip stitch, you can also do it, but I recommend this because it's simple, and we will make another detail on the blanket later. Then close like this and the result will be better. Secure and hide it, and also hide all the thread from the beginning. And this is the final result, but we need another detail. This is up to you, okay? If you don't want it to make, you can also just forget, and that's it. But I will make just slip stitch here, just a slip stitch all the round, and I think the result is better, but it's a very simple detail, okay? It's just up to you. I will show you here because maybe you want to see. Just a slip stitch and just move to the next point here, but make sure the loop that you have on the hook is not too big, okay? If it's big like me, just make it again, and the result will be better. When you finish all the slip stitch, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn just for secure and hide it, and it's what I will make now. For the blanket, you can use the color that you prefer, and we will start on round 1 with a magic ring and 8 single crochet. 1, 2, I made a single crochet now in a form of V. This is not an amigurumi, and for that reason I prefer the single crochet in a form of V for the blanket. Blanket will be like a soft, and I like that, okay? You can see that they are not small. Then close a magic ring, put some mark, we will work in a spiral, and on round 2 we will make 8 increase. 1 increase in each single crochet on the previous round, and we will finish this second round with 16 stitches. For the next rounds, well, on round 3, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. All the round, 8 times in total. You will finish the round 3 with 24 points. But I will share with you the next rounds because they are very easy. They are a basic round, and for that reason I prefer just show you with the subtitle, and just following that you can finish the round 6. And after the round 6 I will show you how to make the round 7. But these rounds, they are very easy. This is the result until round 6. And this blanket is soft. You can see the hole. And it's okay. Don't worry about that. Then on round 7, starting with 1 slip stitch. And after that we will repeat all rounds, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and 1 slip stitch in the next point. 2 chains, 1, 2, and 1 slip stitch in the next point. 2 chains, 1 slip stitch. 2 chains, 1 slip stitch. That's it. Just repeat that. Also, you can try with just 1 chain and 1 slip stitch and will be good too. But I prefer this because it's like a straw. Just for that. Okay, just repeat exactly the same, and when you finish you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn just for secure and hide, and also hide all the threads. And this is the result. I really love this blanket, this little blanket. And now we want to put this blanket on the basket. And you can accommodate however you prefer, but I really like to make this easy. And later this, just put it on the center and open. And that's it. This basket with the blanket or straw is ready for the baby Jesus. Yes, I'm already made the baby Jesus. This is the result, and of course I will teach you, I will show you how to make this little Jesus on the next tutorial. Then I hope you like this one, and if it's like that, don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. In the description below, if the Jesus is ready, you can find the link. Okay, if not, just wait a little. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until the next tutorial, bye bye.